How to use free VPN in Google Chrome browser. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Google Chrome and click on the three dots in the top right corner. After that, select extensions and go to the Chrome Web Store. Over here, use the search bar and type VPN. Then select the Ola VPN extension from the results. After that, click on Add to Chrome. Then wait a few seconds until the extension is added. After that, open a new tab and click on the puzzle icon at the top. Over here, select the Ola VPN extension. Then tap to enable the VPN and choose a country from the list. After that, your VPN will be active and you can browse with a different IP address. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.